What's up, guys? Welcome back. Charles from Blue Lock. Don't think I've drawn him yet, but we will draw him today. So, hands behind the head. I think this is from a cover. I'm not sure. It's coloured anyway. So, landscape page, pencil eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. Let's try our boy Charles. So, big eyes, right? His right eye's covered by his hair. But the other eye, we'll start with the other eye. So we'll go diagonal, just there, and then we'll bring it across. Now you'll have to thicken up these eyelid lines, but we'll just get the main lines in first. And then it sort of spikes down around the eye, right? So that's like the general eye shape. So then you want to thicken this all up so it's much heavier. And then it has like eyelashes and stuff all here as well. So it's a very wide eye line, and it has another spike on the back as well. Okay, so you want to like color that in black. Okay, so big yellow eyes then. So real big circle now. He's looking up and to the right. Curves around here. And then we get sort of these sort of eyelid lines coming around here. Not eyelid lines, but iris, sorry. The lines for his actual color part of his eye. Kind of looks like a wheel. And then he's looking up and to the right, so you put your iris, your pupil about there, and his pupil is just white. They don't have to color it black. So his other eye, now, so this one doesn't, you can't see the spike part because the hair sort of covers it. So what we will do, we'll go diagonal, and then we'll bring it across here. So his hair cuts that off. So we'll go down for the hair and just add some spikes. Just there. And then we'll thicken up this line. It stops there somewhere, and we'll just color it black. I think you can see like the back of his eye just going that way a bit. Then is there? I think there might be a bit of his other eyelid, but we'll do the big yellow disc of an eye first. So we'll just bring this around here. It's all just black in here, so that might just be his, like his bottom part of his eye, like this. It's not very clear, but could be hair, could be the bottom part of his eye. This is the way it's drawn anyway. And then we'll do these sort of wheel lines coming around the iris. And then again, he's looking up and to the right. So his fringe then comes along all of this. So we'll just finish all that hair that comes along. It's kind of spiky and sort of flat as well at the same time. So there's like little spikes like this, and then there's like a flat box sort of section here. Right, and then it seems to come down beside his ear, just there. And I think you can see like a little bit of an eyelid line just underneath. Maybe an eyebrow, but it's very dark in there. There is like a little bit of a line that comes across. Okay, so for his nose, we can just see a nostril here, smaller one there, and then his little toothy grin. So it kind of goes that way at first. Then there is a bit of a gap, and then the other side goes that way. And then he has a little tooth. And then the chin. Just comes out to his jaw, underneath his hair. And then we can see his ear on this side, not the other side because of the hair. So we just add the rest of these sort of hair spikes now. And then there's like kind of a gap in it here. Then it comes around the other side. And then this goes up and over. And it goes down then. And then he's got that little spike that kind of like sticks out here. Bring it back in. And back underneath. Do, 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 do. Right, so then at the back, spikes. And his neck comes down then here. We can see a bit of his neck and kind of shoulder there as well. Now what's... So there's a lot of just using black color to hide things. You know, so there's not a lot of lines for his shoulder and everything. So let's see, if I was a black collar, I would be like this. There on that side. And then this side would go approximately this way. Usually anyway. And then, so the black section for the jersey goes down. And then his like chest just goes off that way. And then his back goes that way. And then his arm comes up and we get the sleeve. And I might put some folds in this because I think it doesn't really make sense. Like, because that's his shoulder, so it should be a bit bumpy at least. And then that way and down, like his armpit. You cannot see anything in here. It's just black. So elbows, he's not like muscular sort of character or anything. So like they're just normal sort of size arms. And then on this side as well. And his arm just goes down behind his head there. Okay, we can see some PXG sort of stuff down here. So we have the symbols for the sponsor, and then a bit of P, X, and then the sort of X marks the spot sort of thing here. And then those red and white lines. Like that. And there he is, Charles. I think it's Chevalier. What a name. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.